Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can use 3dsmax's Viewport canvas to plan out your details. So here's a basic object I've modeled from a box. Just some basic designs right here. Some cutting, moving, there we go. And so I can apply Unwrap UW on top. And just go into Open UV Editor and Control A and Flatten Mapping. There we go. It's very rough here, but that's fine. And so now I can go into Tools and then Viewport Canvas. Alright, right away I can just go into Paint here and it will ask you some options here. Assign standard material or browse material to assign. I'll just assign standard material right here and it'll make it a diffuse color here, and we'll just choose 2048. You can click here on these three dots to choose a location, name, and format, and also make sure that Show Map in Viewport is ticked here, and I'll just click on OK. Alright, so I will decrease the radius here. I'll go into the Paint Bucket tool, make sure it's white, and just make sure it's all filled with white here. And I'll switch to the paint tool and switch to black. And right now it's painting on just one side. What I can do here is go into paint behavior and activate X right here. And so now it will paint on both sides. So I can press F4, turn off the edged faces, and now I can start to plan out my details. You can even use a tablet here if you have one. And you can begin to plan out what kind of details you want here. You can also activate layers right here, so I can click on Add New Layer. And right now I'm just using my mouse, so it may be a little bit rough here. You can also simply click here to quickly switch between colors. Alright, there we go. Now if I right click here, I have several options here, so I just continue painting, save as PSD file, flatten layers, save as PSD and replace texture material, save PSD, then flatten layers and save the current texture here. I'm just going to go into flatten layers here. And that will pretty much give you this texture right here. At this point you can close this, and now you can begin to either topologize your model, add these details on the current geometry here, or what you can do here is just, let's say, select the polygon here, or just create a new object here. And then you can go ahead and go into freeform here, and then switch this to surface, and pick this as the surface, and begin to create a new mesh on top using this as a guide right here. And that is an example of how you can use the Viewport canvas to draw on your simple objects to plan out future more complex details. Thank you for watching, and take care.